Hi guys, my name is Odi and you're welcome to my channel. If you're new on this channel, you're welcome. Welcome, thanks for clicking on that link on the photo or wherever you found this video. I really appreciate and I'd like you to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps, guys. Giving this video a thumbs up will help make the video more visible on YouTube, and I will see you soon. Hi again. So today I am eating noodles, and this is not any just any random noodles. This noodles is actually the Nigerian noodles. So it's Indomie. Really close to the camera. So this is Indomie, and this is literally what I grew up eating. I know there are other Indomies here, but there's really none like this. Maybe because I'm probably used to this one, and that's what I grew up eating. But it really has its own distinct flavor, and it's really it's just suitable for my taste buds. And guys, when I tell you that when I saw this in the African store, I literally danced for like 2 minutes because I was so excited, and I hope I'll be able to get more. So I don't really want to talk too much because noodles is not something that I like to eat when it's cold. And trust me, there's more to this video because I'll be teaching you guys how to use chopsticks to eat noodles. Or not, because I don't know how to use them. I've actually struggled with using chopsticks. I actually use chopsticks for sushi anytime I have sushi, and I think that's easy because you just pick them up, and even when it's shaky, you just try to arrange them. But with noodles, I've tried before, and it was just a funny thing to see. And please don't laugh at me. I've put a fork standby just in case I cannot do and I just want to enjoy my food, but hopefully I get through with this video using these chopsticks, okay? And I'll just get in. Say a prayer first, of course. Yeah, so here we go. So the first time I actually tried using chopsticks, my friend, shout out to you, Chisom, if you're gonna watch this. No, you have to watch this. So she taught me how to use chopsticks to, just pick the sushi, and my first try was a disaster. I literally it just fell on my chest, and yeah, we're in public, so it was bad. But I know she told me just hold it like this with your thumb, and then with this other finger, and I don't know, something like this, just pick it up like that. That's what she said. Oh, and by the way, I'm so sorry, I forgot to introduce this chicken. This is chicken Maryland, and it's really spicy, as you can see. While cooking it, I put a lot of spice in it, and then I just put like this fried chilies on top of it. So let's believe. And of course, we have our healthy guys here featuring have the cucumbers. So, oh, I think I lost the position. Yeah. So yeah, let's dig in. Guys. Please just cooperate. Okay, still hot. I feel like I'm going to be ruining my whole face with this. Yo, please, please. Ooh, look at that bad boy. Ooh. I'm not doing too bad, you guys. I'm not doing too bad, okay. I'm actually doing well. See? Mm. This is starting to feel like an arm workout. But we move regardless. Oh my gosh, this is too much. I'll just jump to the chicken. Mm. Ooh. Okay, that took a minute. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. This is so good. If you notice, I just poured my drink because I forgot to do that before I started. So what happens when you're very hungry, huh? Mm. See, Maryland chicken is one of my faves. The texture is mad. It's really good. Mm. So my drink, this is iced tea, by the way. I'll just go back to my struggles. Chopstick struggles. I'm actually not doing bad. See, guys, I should actually make a total new video on how to use chopsticks. I'll try to perfect the act first before. I try not to put too much spice in the noodles because the chicken, the chicken is on another level with the spice. This is really good. I feel like for me, noodles are like a comfort food. Number one, is really easy to make. It can be distressed and be cooking some, food with a lot of process. And of course the taste is good. Hey, I'm not doing bad, you guys, with these chopsticks. back to this. This is baby boy. And just take some of the chili. This is well seasoned. I did a good job, as usual. Certified chopstick user. My new love for cucumbers though. I could eat them with anything. No, almost anything. Seriously? Okay. I think it's getting to the point where I can't pick the noodles anymore because it's now almost finished. Okay. I think the chopsticks are telling me it's okay. We are not doing it again. Alright. Good. Concentrate on my chicken. My hands will let me down, I know. Guys, that is it for this video. I hope you really liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Click on that thumbs up button and just give this video a like and share to your friends. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you're thinking, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.